BGCMC. My name is Giselle and I'm here with
Savannah, Victoria,
Eleanor. And today we are going to be making cloud dough. Warning, this is not edible.
Techniques for cloud dough are a bowl, a spoon, conditioner, cornstarch, 3-4 pumps of lotion, and food color. It's optional.
First, we are going to add some conditioner. You can add as much conditioner as you want. It just depends on how much cloud dough you would like. Now we're going to add a color. I chose purple for this, but you can choose whatever color you like. This is optional. Now we're going to mix. If it looks a bit chunky and flaky, that's okay, because it won't really matter at the end. Now we're going to add some cornstarch. For bigger batches, you should use more cornstarch, and for smaller batches, you should add less. I added 2 spoons of cornstarch. Now you're going to mix. This process may take a while because it gets messy. Just mixing takes a few minutes, so be patient. Just trust the process and keep going. If when you're mixing it feels very conditioner-y, which doesn't make sense, but if you make this, you'll know what I'm talking about. If it feels too liquidy, you should add some more cornstarch. And after you mix a little with your gloves, I suggest taking off your gloves because it's a lot easier to get in there and mix. This is very messy, so just have patience. Now mixing more because you want it to have a nice consistency of a cloud, but you also want it to feel doughy, so you want to make sure that it's mixed thoroughly. If it's not mixed thoroughly, you could still have some pockets of cornstarch or pockets of conditioner, which you don't want, because if and when you play with it, it'll get all over your hands. And this does leave a little residue on your hands after you play with it from the color, but if you don't want that, you could wear gloves. Now just kneading some more, and now we're adding lotion. Lotion helps it become softer and more combined, I would say. Now your cloud dough is almost done. We hope you enjoyed the cloud dough. We know we did. It was a very fun process, but again, it gets very messy.
Cloud dough. Cloud dough is basically Play-Doh but better and softer. Make sure to hit that bell, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.